Hi guys, Kurt Provost here, your guide to all things new skin. Is your Lumispa playing up? Is it not working the way that it should work? This video is to help you do some troubleshooting and work through some of the potential issues that may be going on with your device. So first one, and probably the most common one, is that it keeps on buzzing and pausing and kind of stopping and starting. What is going on? Well, the most common cause of that is that people aren't aware that this device has sensors in it that will know when you are pressing too hard, using too much force on your skin, or moving too fast. And what it will do is it will pause and it will buzz and tell you essentially, look, you're pressing way too hard for your skin, it's not good, don't do that, there's potential to damage or irritate your skin, or you're moving way too fast and the same thing could happen. So most likely it is that. Let's just see. So that's normal movement. See how it paused there? Okay, so and it's buzzing at you. That's usually what is causing it, and it's often when people are doing it in circular motions like this. See? It just keeps pausing. You don't want to do that. You want nice, smooth motion so that it's not too fast, not too slow, and it doesn't stop, and you're not pressing too hard. That is number one. If you are moving in the right speed or the right pressure and it is still buzzing and pausing, keep in mind that every 30 seconds, you see these little lights here? There's 4 of them. So each time one of those lights is completed, and it's 30 seconds is the time period for it, it will buzz a little bit and it'll change direction. And that is just so that you are being reminded, okay, if you're using it across the forehead, that's 30 seconds done, time to move to another portion of your face. And so you can split your face up into quadrants of sorts. So you're doing maybe 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, there's 2 minutes done. So most likely, if it's pausing, if it's not moving fluid, then that's the issue. Just slow it down a little bit. The second issue is perhaps the charging base got wet. You see, this device is waterproof, however, the charging base that you see right there is not. So what you want to do is shake it out, make sure you shake all the water out of it, and then dry it for at least 24 hours. So keep it somewhere dry on a dry towel before you plug it in and see if it works. After that, hopefully it could start working again. If not, you will need to get a new charging base. Don't worry, you can get them from the Nu Skin website and they're not expensive. What happens if the button, the only button on the Lumispa, won't work? What happens if it's just flashing? Well, you can attempt to reset it. So you hold your finger down on the button until no lights appear, everything shuts down, and then sit it on the charger and let it fully charge. Hopefully that will reset the device and you can click it again after that and it should start. If not, again, contact Nu Skin. The final issue you may encounter with your Lumispa is the treatment head is falling off. It's not attaching properly, or it's not staying on there and it's falling off during a treatment. What do you do? Well, first and foremost, check the back part of the treatment head, and there are little pieces that actually clip onto this black part of the Lumispa, and that's what holds the head on there. If those little pieces are damaged, it's not going to work properly. You're going to need a new treatment head. Also, just make sure that the back, that all these parts in here, there's nothing broken, nothing sticking out, everything is where it should be. If there's anything sticking out or broken, you will need a new treatment head. Now, if the issue is with this, and the only way that that could be the issue is if it's been dropped or something like that, it is possible to tighten it a little bit. However, most of the time, if you've got an issue with that part of the device, you're going to need to contact Nu Skin and sort it out with them, because it will be much more technical than what I can provide you with here. All right, guys, that is a quick little troubleshoot. I hope it has solved the problem for you. If you need any more help, then contact your sponsor, the person who sold you the Lumispa in the first place, or Nu Skin. If you don't have a sponsor and you need some help with this, then just send send me a message. I have my details at the end of this video. My name is Kurt Provost. I am your guide to all things Nu Skin, and I hope it has been useful. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I create a video like this, and I'll see you in the future.